So I wanted to show everyone the difference. This is a 2020 S1000RR over here at my buddy Jeff's house. And we just wanted to take a real quick look here in stock. So I'll fire it up real fast here. You'll hear how the exhaust sounds, and it'll be quiet, and see if I can get a difference here in the volume. Okay, now we're gonna flash it and see how the startup is. Okay, so we got the tuner plugged in here. I'm gonna go in here real quick and work the protocol, writing, boom, boom. This is obviously stock file. We're gonna go to stage 1, stock file bike tester. Let's open this file up. Get this thing flashed real quick and I'll show you guys what the exhaust will sound like and also the low idle on startup. All right, we flashed it, so let's see how it sounds. So it's a lot quieter now, or sorry, not quieter, but it's a lot louder from the exhaust, but the actual idle is low, so it's a little bit quieter. Yeah, that's that. My buddy Jeff here, he's gonna ride the bike real quick. He's been riding it for about 500-600 miles. So he's gonna tell me what he thinks the difference is. This is a 100% stock motorcycle. 100% stock, just flashed it. He's gonna go take it around the block now. Let me know what he thinks.
A few moments later.
So what'd you think of it, man?
Yeah. Okay, so the 2017 with the tune, the cold air or the intake air temp sensor relocated, the filter, the exhaust, thought that thing was an animal. This thing just right there, way more in the middle than that bike did. Of course, out here, kind of hard to tell on top. So.
Right. How does it feel where it was dead before?
It feels like it should.
Yeah.
You know, like I told you the other night, it felt like a 600 in rain mode.
Right.
From like 4 to 8 grand, 8,500. Now it just, I mean, 5 grand, crack the throttle, the thing just hoists the front wheel. 6 grand, crack the throttle, front wheel. 7 grand, it's where it should have been all along. Yeah.
So we'll get some more impressions from you when you take this thing out to the track, right?
Yeah.
So look out for this thing. This thing will be on the track. Looks stock, but it's flash, so watch out.